Lemon and raisins, when combined, offer a unique blend of flavors and health benefits. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties and its ability to enhance skin health. The tartness of lemons adds a refreshing twist to various dishes and beverages. Raisins, on the other hand, are dried grapes packed with natural sugars, fiber, vitamins, and minerals like potassium and iron. They support digestion, help maintain healthy blood pressure, and provide an energy boost. When you pair the zesty brightness of lemons with the natural sweetness of raisins, you create a delightful contrast that can elevate salads, baked goods, and even plain yogurt into healthier, tastier options. The combination of lemon and raisins not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but also adds a nutritional punch to your meals and snacks, making it a winning choice for both taste and health-conscious individuals.